Hey y'all, so what's up? It's your girl Danielle and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl uploads another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down my Faux Locs that I've had in for about 2.5 months now. And I just thought this would be like a good video idea to do because I know some people find things like that kind of satisfying. I hope you enjoy and let me know like what you think about this video. So I'm going to stop rambling right here and we're just going to get ready to just get into it. So I got my little scissors because I'm not starting at the bottom because baby, I'm not trying to be here all day. And I know my hair isn't but for so long, so I'm going to go ahead and just stop right here. y'all. So as you can see, I've gotten this whole side taken out. Now I'm about to start on this side. And y'all, I've been working on this side for about an hour. But yeah, so let's get ready to get into this side so we can finish this up. I'll be so glad when I'm done, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am officially finished. Yes, like, I feel like this took forever, like, with these thousands of braids. Y'all know, it wasn't 1,000 braids, but it felt like it was. It took me like 2 hours, like. But yes, y'all. So, yeah, this is what I'm looking like right now. I'm looking kind of crazy. But it's okay, because we got the braids out, and I got a new style coming. So, yeah. But unfortunately, you have reached the end of this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought about the video. And also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl uploads another video. And without further ado, I will talk to you on my next video. Peace.